Then it's done. Now. Next level, plumbing work and casting and pillar work. So good morning. Today. Very good morning. And make me know my show. Impome. And you say?
Oh yeah, or the thing to back.
Watch it, shut that.
Way up for the casa. I should have. Blah, nice.
So yes guys, there he goes, the contractor doing the measurement and everything for the plumber. And guys, can you believe it, upon all that work he still didn't do it like he told him, so he had to get him to redo it the next day. Okay, so that's the thing with Ghana, you have to watch your tradesmen or they're going to do what they want. But luckily this contractor figured it out and he redid it the next day. Okay, so guys, excuse the banging, there's nothing I can do. It's light off and it's too hot to be in the house, so I'm sitting in the front porch, and you know how it is in Ghana. So anywho, like I said, in Ghana the tradesmen likes to do things that they're familiar with. So when you decide to do something that they don't know, it's hard for them to imagine it. So yes, they will tell you, yes, I get what you want to do, but the minute you leave or you're not there, you best believe they're going to do what they know. Okay, so that's what happened. So for the plumbing work for the guest bedrooms downstairs, I mirrored my bathroom in Chestermere. Okay, I like the way it is. I like to walk in to the mirror and not walk into the shower, but in most homes here you walk into the shower. So I wanted to make sure the shower is behind the door and vanity in front of the door, just like I was used to in Chestermere. So that's what I was explaining, and then obviously they were like, no, it can't be done and blah blah blah. I said yes, it can be done and it will be done. So yeah. And just to clarify, it's not the contractor who said it can't be done, it's usually the tradesman, right? So and if you watch the video, I was like, you know, I'm worrisome and I'm gonna be bothering you, but I like things specifically, you know, in a certain way and blah blah blah, I hope you don't mind. And that's usually my way of telling them that this is not going to be anyhow, it's going to be how I want it, and that's that, right? Because if you're very different from the way I sometimes see and that's it. Oh, the man your kitchen come but didn't we? Man your kitchen either. Oh, storage. Storage. For my Christmas stuff, my decoration, your money now. When I'm the bogu. Yeah. No. Gym and storage. Abadna. Oh yeah, I'm very anxious.
Yeah, but petition.
Oh, affect the structure now. So these are the washroom applications, and it's a good idea to be on site because I basically mirror my washroom in Chestermere. So you walk in, you see the sink with mirror, and then the toilet is there, and the bath is on the other side. So, and they were gonna do it, I don't know, some opposite way. They wanted a toilet behind the door. I'm not used to that, so it's good to be on site so you can change things how you want it, because now they're doing the plumbing work and then we're gonna do casting today. So I basically switched things the way I want it, and now I know they're gonna do it that way, so I'm ready to go. This is the kitchen, plumbing work for some kitchen that I've decided, and then that's the guest bathroom toilet. He's digging the way we told him to. So, and these are the piping for the plumbing work. Okay, plumbing work. It's getting real, people. It's getting real. I should make a video, but when you mean I. Let's make a video when you mean it's more how I.
I don't know. My friend was in Sunuku, but house and I think now.
Yes, guys, everyone knows I don't play with my videoing. See, I'm always creating content, okay? Even the project manager said it. Emilia is documenting everything, okay? So that's what I do to get you guys good content. So if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do me a favor, okay? Pause for a minute and go subscribe and come back, okay? Thank you, and I appreciate your love and support. Okay, we're casting. Okay.
Operators.
This was done yesterday. And today we're going to be casting here. Nana, if I turn here. Oh, okay. Okay. It is there, Madam Medichon, Nana. There. Okay. Okay.
So maybe on your check as
I say so be fine.
Oh, be fine. My yam why need but the floor lights
Okay.
And also one I had a reception.
Oh yeah. Or entrance. Yeah. Grand entrance. Yeah.
What to me design do again, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Amen. Okay. In the staircase, no, from here to baby, I will to Nana. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. When I walk in, nothing at all. Oh, okay. Okay.
Well, why the upper two in the room? Nothing in there.
This is for the stairwell. It's gonna go in there. Beginning of day 2. I'm sure by the time I come tonight or tomorrow we'll be done. Casting is done. The casting away we're next is your bare pillars. Pillars. Okay. Okay. This is a stairway. No way. Let them move to the hands. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. It's London, no. Okay, now you know your body. Porch. Okay. Okay. Yeah, where was it? Okay. Yeah, sure. Cement. Look at Bianca. Okay. Pake hawe slope kakana mimi munda. Haya so. Chinhan ana. Well guys, just like that, oversight casting is done. We're waiting on the metal pillars so we can do the pillars. And yes, I need more bags of cement. Guys, building is not easy, but you know what? We've started, okay? So we're gonna keep going. Thank you so much, and until next time, smile. Bye.